Everyone thinks they need the expensive skincare to glow. But what if I tell you that even the cheap one does the same work like the expensive ones? Yes, you heard that right. Even cheap skincare products, either your face serum, your body treatment, if it is cheap, it's also like do the same thing that this expensive one do. All you need to just do is to just check the ingredient it is. Now hold on, let me tell you, let me tell you things you don't know about. Today, we are going to be comparing our favorite Disaar and our classic COSRX Snail Mucin Essence to see which really gives us the work, to see which one hydrates, repairs, and glow our skin without breaking our bank. So sit back, relax, and watch this video to the end so you can know if you are to get either Disaar or COSRX. Hello, lovelies. So if you're just coming across this channel, this is This Skin Her Wellness, and for those of you that have been here before, thank you for always coming back. So in this channel, we talk about real skin problems and solutions. We talk about products, we talk about your skin concerns. So if you're just coming across this place, please do also subscribe, like, comment, and also share your thoughts about my videos. Sit back and relax. Snail mucin is that ingredient that helps to hydrate, repair, soothes your skin, and also glow. It also helps with acne marks. Yeah, so snail mucin is about hydration, repair, soothing your skin, calming your skin. So that is the essence of snail mucin in our routine and in Disaar and COSRX. Now let's move forward. Let's go beyond this. If you know you have a dry, dull skin, you can go for snail mucin. So this is where snail mucin comes in. Snail mucin helps your skin to look calm, it suits your skin, it hydrates your skin, so it repairs your skin. So this is where snail mucin comes in. Now let's start with the popular and expensive one, which is the COSRX Advanced Snail Mucin Essence. It's not for its deep hydration, it helps to repair, suit your skin, it gives you that glass skin that you need. So that's what COSRX is for. The COSRX is also known for its extra supportive ingredients like the hyaluronic acid, the panthenol and allantoin, which is for hydration, soothing, and calming, like I said before. So it gives this extra comfort. Yeah, let me just put it that way. So COSRX comes with extra comfort. So now let's go to our budget friendly babe, our budget friendly sister, which is the Disaar Snail Mucin. So this one, if you are getting it, you know you are getting it's for your glow. Yeah, it also gives glow, it also gives hydration, but the COSRX gives deep hydration because of the hyaluronic support it has with that. So it gives the skin support, yeah, and glow that we also need. So if you are getting this, you just know, okay, I want to do skincare, but I don't want to put my whole, I want to start from the basic. Even if you're already into skincare, trust me, I used Disaar, and honestly speaking, it was good. If you are not into skincare, you won't even know the difference. That is it. If you are not into skincare, you won't know the difference. And how do I even get to know this? I went to the store, I wanted to buy snail mucin, and the sales rep, or what the sales rep brought that particular one. Funny enough, I didn't check. The boss was not like her. I did not see the one she gave me when she called the price. So it was from the price I was confused, and I said, this thing don't cheap like this. So she was like, I didn't I see the one that they gave me? And I said, now which one they gave me? So looking at it, and I said that, oh, this is even the right product. Are you serious? I, okay, fine, let me give it a try. At least I need to give it a try to give people feedback, so that even if I want to recommend to people, if it is something they can use. And trust me, it was good. If I was not into using skincare, if I was not into using the advanced, like the expensive products, I wouldn't have even known the difference. And that is just it. I won't know the difference. So Disaar also works. It also gives you the glow. It also gives it gives you that plumpness. Yeah, it gives you that plumpness that COSRX also gives. But still, you can still compare the Madam Classic expensive to our cheaper and the easiest one to get. So that now let's talk about the texture and how it feels on skin. COSRX is more slimy. Yeah, COSRX is slimy, and Disaar also gives us that snow sliming texture, but you can't compare the COSRX sliming is to how Disaar sliming is. So you can't compare both, but definitely it still gives you what you need. Aside from the sliming texture, COSRX and Disaar, they both absorb well into the skin, and they give you that hydration and plumpness that you need for your skin. It gives you that skin support that you need. It makes your skin glow. It gives you that glass skin that you need. So aside from the slimeness, yes, and aside from those supportive ingredients that COSRX acts as, Disaar is also so good. In my opinion, I say there is no difference because it gives you that calmness, it gives you that soothing, it gives you that repair, it gives you that glow, it gives you that plumpness that your skin needs. Do you get? So I will just say it as no difference. So if you're looking to hydrate your skin, if you have a dull skin, if you have a dry skin, if you're looking to soothe your skin, to repair your skin, to what, so if you are looking to have that glass skin for a friendly budget, you can get this. It will also give you what you need. Trust me on this. It will also give you what you need. Also, the difference you may want to feel again is that COSRX, it gives this luxury look, you get, but these are, it's our friend, it's cheap, do you get? And even the packaging, is that different? I'm not sure that it's different. Yeah, there's no difference in the packaging. So the container, the packaging, there is no difference. It's just that COSRX is expensive, gives you this luxury. I'm a big person. You understand what Disaar is a go-to anytime if you are low on funds, if you're a beginner. Do you understand? So if you are low on funds, if you are a beginner, so cause Disaar is a run to, and it still saves you, yeah, because it still do whatever COSRX is doing. If you're on a budget, Disaar can work. It's going to give you all what you need. So you can just give it a try. Yeah, give it a try. And also drop in the comment section which one you've used or which one you want to try. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, save, and also share to people you think they may need this. See you in my next video.